Here is the 11 a.m. update on Tropical Storm Ida. Ida now is south of Cuba and is expected to make a landfall as a Category 1 hurricane on the island. Ida is expected to keep strengthening in the Gulf of Mexico and right before landfall strengthen into a major hurricane just south of New Orleans. This will be the first major hurricane landfall in the United States since Hurricane Laura in August of 2020. Then Ida is expected to make a sharp right turn towards the southeastern United States. Parts of our northwestern counties are clipped by this cone of uncertainty, right? It's uncertain, so we'll keep an eye on it as we head into the next few days. There are hurricane warnings in effect for Cuba right now, but looking closer to the United States, there are hurricane watches and tropical storm watches in effect for Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Now, looking at the spaghetti models, they're pretty much in line with the track from the National Hurricane Center with a sharp right turn towards the southeastern United States. This is where it gets iffy, so we'll keep an eye on what that could be over the next few days. In terms of rainfall, we could see about 8 to 10 inches across southern Louisiana throughout the next few days, but looking closer to home, we could see maybe up to 2 inches, especially for our northern and western counties sitting in that purple area. So here is what the GFS and Euromodel are saying. Through Tuesday, they have a really good consensus that Ida will make its way east through the southeastern United States, and we could see some of those outer bands coming through central Georgia. But behind a lot of tropical systems is a subsidence in drier air. So looking long range to Friday and next Saturday, we could maybe see drier conditions across Macon and much of central Georgia. For all of your tropics updates, keep up with your 13 WMAZ meteorologists online and on air. That's it. I'm done. Thank you.